Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Perplexity Pro version. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing what you need to do, go to your profile account, so perplexity.ai, sign in, log in, and then what we are going to do is look for the upgrade to Pro button. So you will see it here at the bottom left sidebar, a little above your name and your logo icon. Click on it and it will open up here. Select your plan. Now you have see here that you have Perplexity Pro and Perplexity Max. Now if you are using just for personal use, then I think this one for $17 is the best option to have. If you want something more advanced, then you have here Max option. If you are in the education, you can use it just for $9, but you need to verify as a student or as an educator. And for the businesses, we have here Pro version also and Max version, and the price, as you can see here, is as you can see. Now, what you need to do is just click here, let's say get a Pro, and you will be redirected right here where you need to put your payment information, your billing information here, and then just confirm and pay. So annually it will cost you $175 for 1 year, so it's 17% off. And yeah, this is pretty much it. When you confirm and pay, you will have all the functionality here in Pro version. So what I have now here locked, you will unlock it and you will freely use all of these models and other stuff. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next